In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Gaijin account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The most convenient and secure way to create a Gaijin account is through their website, so I highly recommend that you follow this process on their website at www.gaijin.net. When you arrive at the website, you should see a list of all of their games, and all you have to do to make a Gaijin account is to click the personal area button located at the top. So click personal area and you will have to log into your account to access the personal area. Now if you want to make a new Gaijin account, all that you have to do is click register account over here. So click register account and you will have to include all of this information to make a Gaijin account. Include your email address, a nickname, password, and then copy the captcha or the code. Afterwards, tick this box to indicate that you agree with the terms of service and the privacy policy and you will be good to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and include a random email address over here. Keep in mind that this information is just for demonstration purposes and this email doesn't actually exist. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill out all the information and click register account. After this process is done, you will be redirected to your account page immediately. Now in here you can see all of the games that they have listed. You can download them straight from this page or browse through your profile as necessary. You can verify your email, change the notification options, and manage your account from this page. As long as you create an account through the Gaijin website, you will have access to all its features for free, so make sure you do it through this page. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Gaijin account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.